Here we are in the city of Pomona, and today we'll be doing this small little area right here. Just a sand and refinish, and you can start to see exactly what the floor is going to look like. If you remember, this was not pretty. It was actually pretty rough. There were some questions, but as you can tell, the floor's been nice and clean, multiple layers of finish. And it really shouldn't take too long to do. We'll be done. I have no reason to think we're not going to be done today. It'll involve this threshold, this floor, putting in some thresholds in the hallway, and right there, that hall with a couple of thresholds in that area and that bathroom. Everything has been done brand new. And over here in the hallway, we added two moldings. One to this doorway right here, and one to this one. This is a little bit more of an angle, but it came out really nice. Someone's still home, so I can't go all the way down yet. So, we'll keep track of this as the day goes and see how it comes out. So, another good job done. Now I just gotta wait for the homeowner to take a look at it right before we put that last one on, and we are done.